Hello my friends! Alright, are you ready for the very final step of this implementation? We're about to know how good of a model our logistic regression model is thanks to the most relevant metric in classification, the accuracy. Alright, so we're going to compute it in two ways. First manually and then with scikit-learn. Alright, so what do you want to start with? Well, actually, let's start with manually. So, you know very well the formula of the accuracy. It's very simple. It's the number of correct predictions divided by the total number of observations or predictions in the test set, right? These are only the predictions of the test set. And so the first way to compute it is to do the true positives plus the true negatives divided by the total number of observations in the test set, meaning 84 plus 47 plus 3 plus 3, right? As simple as that. And so, well, let's do it this way first. In parentheses, 84 plus 47, so that's the number of correct predictions, divided by the total number of predictions or, observations in this test set, meaning 84 plus 47 plus 3 plus 3, right? That's the first way of computing the accuracy. So, are you ready to get the final number? Here we go. Accuracy and... wow, indeed we have a really good accuracy of 95.6%. That's definitely excellent. It means indeed that our logistic regression model was highly performant on this dataset, right? I remind that it basically has 95.6% of correct predictions in the test set on which our model wasn't trained. It's all new observations, all new patients in the test set, and yet out of 100 new patients, well, our model was able to make correct predictions for almost 96 of them. So that's really good. So now let's compute the accuracy in the other way by using scikit-learn. And so we will be using the same module as we use for the confusion matrix, the metrics module. And so we're going to start from the scikit-learn library. There we go. And from the scikit-learn library, we access to the metrics module. And from this metrics module by the scikit-learn library, we import, well, we're going to import a function that will directly return to us the accuracy of our model. And you know exactly which input we'll have to enter in this function. So here we go. The function is accuracy underscore score. There you go. And so we're simply going to call it, no need to create any variable to get our accuracy. And of course, it's going to be exactly the same as this one. So accuracy score, yes, and parentheses. And of course, well, same as the confusion matrix, what we need to input here as parameters is of course first our vector of ground truth in the test set y test and our vector of predictions in the test set y pred. Alright, and that's it. You also get the accuracy with this method. So let's do this. Let's play run this cell and we get, of course, exactly the same accuracy as the one we obtained manually. Alright? So, congratulations! You now know how to build, and you have built, a very powerful model in classification, the logistic regression. Of course, in level 2 we will build even more advanced and powerful models that will give you better or even much better results in most of the datasets you'll be working with, and we will actually implement them for both regression and classification. I'm talking, of course, about XGBoost, LightGBM, and CatBoost. I can't wait to implement those new models with you. We're going to have a lot of fun and a lot of great tools in our toolkit when going through level 2. So let's tackle them together just like we tackled linear regression and logistic regression. And until then, enjoy machine learning.